Chargers, welcome back to LMSTV. We're your hosts. I'm Zoe.
And I'm Bella.
And today we're going to do an interview with Mr. Kinlock.
What was I like as a student?
Yes.
In middle school?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Probably all through school I was a student that I still had a little bit of sarcasm like I do now. But because a few times I got in trouble, I kind of had to figure out what was the line. So I was probably very much like I was now, but had to figure out where the border was so I didn't get myself in trouble. I had a skill of making comments at the right time where everybody would laugh. So I don't know that I'd call myself the class clown, but I would make funny comments. Yeah.
How would you be a successful student now?
Oh, now? Well, when I've taken classes, or like when I went to police academy, that was like pretty intense school. I mean, it was like I was really wanting to get as good a grade as possible. When I was in school then, like I was okay with B's, sometimes C's, and get some A's. But as I gotten older, I've seen that like the classes and things that I take now, they impact me more, so I just try to be a little bit more serious about it. So I'd probably be more serious about it now.
Yes. Okay. What is it like to be a redhead?
I think it's super special. I don't know. We're a minority. I think it's funny to make fun of myself, talk about how I may not have a soul, stuff like that. So I don't necessarily have to care about your feelings, right? Yeah. So they have a whole day for redheads. Redheads are special.
Very special.
Very special.
Thank you so much for that awesome video, Grayson.
Wow, I kind of wish I was a redhead now. Well, moving on. Here's another video by me.
Really? What kind of video?
A Visco tutorial.
Really? That sounds fun. Let's watch it.
Visco girls, welcome back. And I'm Zoe, and today I'm going to show you how to be totally Visco. Okay. So, obviously, we have to have a blanket to keep yourself warm because you don't want to show this ugly, huge t-shirt with your Adidas. And obviously, you have to have the scrunchies to show up to all the guys and be like, hey, you want to be my boyfriend? Here. Oh, you want to be my boyfriend too? Here, have them all. So, gotta do that. You obviously have to have those friendship bracelets, those friends that don't really exist. You know, you just gotta pretend like you have friends. Yes, anyway, also have to have a metal straw because you know, save the turtles. Your hydro flask with your cutesy stickers. Oh, not that much water. Gotta get those stickers. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Gotta get those lashes. Oh, let me just look on my iPhone 11 how hot my lashes are right now. Okay. So, if you liked my video, then you know, want to be Visco, then keep watching. So
So cool. Thank you so much, Zoe.
now, lastly, we have a tour of our school by Grayson.
So excited. Let's watch it.
Hi, welcome back to LMS TV, and today I'm going to be doing a tour of Libby Middle School. Let's go. This is a band hallway. This is a cafeteria. Here's what goes on in broadcast. Was I a good student in 6th grade?
Yes, you were a very good student because you worked hard. If you didn't understand something, you would come and ask me for help, and you would come to study hall so that I could help you and make sure that you got all your stuff in and handed in correctly.
This is Mr. Kinlock, and I'd like to ask him a question.
Have you or your classmates ever been spooked, spectered, or crowed?
If the answer is yes, don't wait another minute and pick up your phone to call School Busters. Our friendly receptionist, Kylie Gilmore, is always on call. Call the number on the screen, 800-666-2337. Are you a Visco girl?
A Visco? Isn't that what I get annoyed with all the time? With like everybody with their water bottles and their scrunchies and No, I don't know. I think it's boring. It's annoying.
This is Miss Tiffany. She's my favorite 8th grade teacher, and I'd like to ask her a question.
What's your question?
What's your opinion on TikTok?
Well, it's no Vine, that's for sure. I miss Vine a lot, and I'm willing to settle, I guess, with TikTok. I watch them still. Do I like them as much? No. But they get the job done for my compilation videos.
Yes.
They're good time passers.
Thanks so much, Grayson. Now I won't get lost anymore.
Well, thanks for watching.
And remember to
stay classy, Chargers.